Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today is Saturday the 23rd and I am putting my shoes on, still at the house, but I am headed to the gym. So today was a productive day. I woke up early, uploaded the vlogs. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Obviously I don't do much besides go to work and go to the gym. I feel like I say that all the time. Oh my gosh. I am going to start recording what I do at home, like dinner and stuff, like I did at the last clip of the vlog. I washed my hair. It feels so good and so healthy. You guys don't even understand. I took like an hour nap and I haven't eaten anything. Well, I did eat the rest of the little sweet potatoes from yesterday, but I didn't eat all of them. Yeah, so I'm just gonna go ahead, do a full body workout at the gym. I don't know what I'm going to get myself into today. Today is Saturday. It's sunny. It's nice out. I don't know. I might go hang out, do something. You know what I mean? But I might not either. So I shouldn't even be outside when it comes to this corona. So hey guys, what is up? So I just got home after the gym. I got an acai bowl like you guys saw. It was great. The first time. I've never had an acai bowl. I just got out the shower, that's why I look like this. And also my shirt is all messed up because of my dye of my hair. This is the book that I've been reading. Actually, I'm gonna show you guys what I've been reading lately. It says How to Win Friends and Influence People. I am not even halfway there. Like, this is where I'm at. Space in here is very small, so everything I feel like it's very cluttered. So I don't like to show that, except like this area right here is so nice because I have this in my apartment as Aaliyah's toys and everything is so organized, and then my TV. So I'm gonna find something to eat. I smell like cupcake. That's a good thing? Is that a compliment? I think I just got out of the shower, that's why. So, all there is pizza. Oh shit. Interesting. Ooh, I don't want that. I'm gonna show you guys. I don't think I want this greasy stuff. Carbs. Calories. Shouldn't be eating this because it has a lot of sodium, but here I am. So good. Hey guys, so I'm back in the room. I couldn't find anything to eat besides a couple of chips of hummus and chips, and I shouldn't be eating that just because I'm trying to track my macros. I'm trying to eat healthier, but tomorrow is gonna be a total disaster because it's gonna be a cheat day. This water does not taste the same. I'm just gonna read my book for like a couple hours and then go to sleep. Hey guys, welcome back. So yesterday was my dad's birthday. I got him a birthday cake, as you guys saw. I'm so excited because Aaliyah came back today and we're about to sing him happy birthday. I feel hella jittery because of the pre-workout. Other than that, it's been a good day. It's Memorial Day. There was not a lot of people at work, which is freaking fantastic. They're not there. It's like the best feeling ever because there's not a lot of stuff going on and it's just you by yourself doing your own stuff. It's just a great day. At the gym, like I freaking killed it. Like obviously I didn't vlog, but you guys saw when I went in and when I got out. Just don't feel comfortable filming my workouts just yet, but I'm going to. I don't have anything else to say. I probably won't vlog for the rest of the day just because I want to spend time with my daughter and my family. And obviously, like you guys know, my family doesn't really like to be in my vlogs and stuff like that, and I try to have respect for them and stuff. Like obviously I vlog Leah, but I'll probably talk to you guys tomorrow. Hello everybody. I feel like I have a hair on my mic. I just got off work. I was doing some training today. Today is the 26th. Before I hit the gym, I'm just going to do my pre-workout, which I got yesterday, which I'm going to try. Core C4 Ultimate. So this is the one that I have, just because I got tired of buying pre-workout. Like, I used to get the C4 energy drinks. I'm just tired of keep buying energy drinks and stuff like that, so I decided to get a tub and just to do it in a shaker bottle. So I went to GNC and I got one of these. I'm just gonna pour a little bit of water, and I'm not even gonna do a whole scoop. I'm gonna do half a scoop because this makes my body very itchy and shaky, and I don't want to be shaky at all. And I also want to make sure that my headphones are being charged, because I've been using them for like a whole week without charging them. So that's a good buy. It was like $50 for those headphones. This is the brand Xenia. I don't have Dre, Beats or anything like that, but these were from Best Buy. So I need to get an oil change, you guys. Car problems. I mean, I had pre-workout before. I got it from, what's his name? Oh my god, Microsheed entered his giveaway and I won a pre-workout, but for some reason, obviously I leave everything when it comes to gym stuff, I leave it in my car, and it got clumped up. It started smelling hella bad and I was like, what the fuck? I threw it away, and after that I never bought a pre-workout or anything like that. I just kept buying energy drinks. Before, I used to do the scoop and then chase it with water, but I'm not gonna do that this time. This is the amount that I'm just gonna do. Give it a shake. Ooh, it tastes like a margarita that I can't have right now. So good. It was $35. When it comes to supplements, stuff like that, they're very expensive, as well as protein powders. It all depends how big of a tub you want. So the one that I have is Gold On Standard. The big tub that I have was $77, and I got that like 2 years ago. Now, this one is Orange Mango. If you're into working out and stuff like that, check out that pre-workout. I really like it, even though it makes me shaky and stuff, but you know. But I'm just gonna drink this and head over to the gym, and then I'll probably show you guys inside the bathroom like I always do, and I'll talk to you guys a little bit later. Hey guys, so I just got home from the gym. I had a really good workout. I'm exhausted, tired. I'm probably gonna be sore tomorrow. So yeah, I'm just gonna go do my protein, spend time with my baby, and I'm probably gonna vlog her today. I'm not sure. Hey guys, what is up? So today is the 27th and I didn't vlog, not even from my phone or anything today. I've been really busy today. It was a busy day at work. I'm exhausted, I'm tired, but I'm here at the gym. I'm drinking my pre-workout. Gonna give me this pump because I need it today. Today is the chest day, which is my least favorite day, but it has to be done. I'm just gonna put my shoes on. Hey guys, so I just got home. I didn't vlog inside the gym just because I wasn't really feeling it today. Like, I'm so tired, exhausted. You guys have no idea. I'm drained from work and I've been hitting the gym every day for 2 weeks already, and I'm tired AF, okay? My body is telling me like, you need a rest. You know what I mean? I need to find a dentist. I'm trying to find a really good dentist. That's probably what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go eat dinner, and I'm probably not going to vlog for the rest of the day. Like, I'm not really feeling it today, you guys. I am not. Today is not the day. Hey guys, what is up? Today is May 29th. Yesterday I did not vlog. And today is gonna be the end of this whole week vlog. So I hope you guys are enjoying my clips here and there from each day. So I just got off work. I'm going to grab something to eat and then hit the gym because I did take a break throughout this week. Today is a full body workout and I'm so excited about it because I'm squatting today. So yeah, I'll probably film what I'm eating and the macros on it. I'm gonna go ahead and do that because I'm hungry. Hey guys, so I just got out the gym. It's really hot out here in the desert. I am on my way to get my oil change because it needs to be done. And today obviously is Friday. I don't have my daughter, so it's okay to do it today. Today I'm just going to edit this vlog and hopefully it'll be up by tomorrow. So tomorrow, that means I got it done, you know what I mean? If I'm not looking at the cameras because I'm trying to drive and vlog at the same time. Today I had a really good workout. I did a full body workout. It was great. It felt great. I feel good. I don't feel bloated or anything. I haven't been eating a lot of processed food. It's been great. I feel amazing. My hair feels good. So I am going to be doing a separate video on my supplements and stuff. So keep an eye on that. I am probably going to record some content this weekend. I'm just going to concentrate in driving to this oil shop and I'll talk to you guys a little bit later. Hey guys, what is up? So I just got to the house. I told you guys that I was going to get my oil change, but the guy told me like, you don't need an oil change right now. Like you still have 3,000 more miles. And I'm like, so why my car is telling me that I need an oil change? And he's like, oh, they probably didn't reset it, so let me do that for you real quick. Let me check the fluids and see if you're fine. So I'm like, okay, cool. And I have been noticing that my AC hasn't been like pushing out like very cold air. And he checked that. He's like, oh my gosh, you're running low on cooling. And I'm like, oh my god, that's why my AC has not been working the greatest. And he's like, yeah, let me do that for you because you're running really low. So he did that for free. So I'm like, I didn't have to get an oil change. I had to spend money on that so I can save my money. I decided to go to the mall. I needed to get some slides and I was just walking around, got an acai bowl, you know what I mean? And I got a dress from Hue. So I don't know if you guys have this store wherever you live or anything like that, but I love dresses in the summer, you know what I mean? And I am trying to go to the beach sometime this year, you know what I mean? I love dresses on the beach. It's like the greatest thing ever. I saw this and I was like, oh my god. I usually try on dresses, but they're unavailable. You can't try dresses on, you can't try your clothes on, you can't return them either. So that's like the downsides about shopping now, because you cannot return it for shit. I got this dress. It's like a maxi dress, which I love. And I'm thinking of wearing this underneath my bathing suit, you know what I mean? But I'll try it on and I'll show you guys on the side so you guys can see what it looks like, because like me showing you like this, it's not gonna look cute. But it was $17.99 and I was like, you know what, let me splurge on myself. I never buy anything for myself, you know what I mean? So I'm like, I deserve this. I have very cute dresses. This one is gonna look good on me because of my skin color. So it has buttons right here, and I got this size in a medium. Usually, like I said, I like to try dresses on because you know what, it might be too tight for my back, it might not, it might like fit very nicely. It's like stretchy right here, and I think it'll fit very nicely. So I just can't wait to wear it. And I also saw that they had lashes, and you guys know me with lashes. I love lashes, and these were $1.99. So I was like, girl, I need some more lashes. The ones that I wear was the Ardell Demi Wispies. Those are my absolute favorite, but these are the Stardell lash. It's 100% human hair. I saw this one and it looks kind of similar like a Demi Wispy. So this is another one that I saw, and I loved how it was full and very very like wispy. So I saw this one too. Hopefully you guys can see this. Like, I'm in my car, you know, I'm sorry if you guys can hear the air. It's hot as hell. It's 117 out here. Trying to go inside and hibernate. This one is cute. I cannot wait to wear it. And the last one, so this one looks very wispy and very like spread out. 100% human hair, and it looked very cute. So definitely let you guys know what I think about these lashes, because they literally were $1.99. I also got, which I'm going to put on right now, I needed an updated like slides, because the one that I have, first of all, I've been having them for a long time and they don't have a lot of cushion. I've been wanting some Nike slides. They are so comfortable and so cushiony, and I was like, I deserve it. My feet deserve it, okay? These are the ones that I got, and nothing simple, just some slides. I love walking around some slides. Gotta break this because I'm definitely gonna put these bitches on right now, because like I said, I leave my gym shoes in the car. I'm probably gonna walk on air right now and it's gonna feel great. These are the ones that I had. I'm probably going to keep these just for a backup. Like, I mean, they've been so good to me and I love the color. I'm gonna keep these for sure, because I love them. I can have two. I hope you guys are enjoying the vlogs. Don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave. Also, thank you guys so much for the comments and the video requests. I'm definitely going to be filming content tomorrow or sometime this weekend. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day wherever you are. Leave me a comment. I always reply to you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Peace. Bye.